Okay, this is how you fix Windows driver that doesn't show a brightness screen. As you can see, my brightness bar is here. So first you go to the search bar. Type in device manager. I gotta talk quietly because significant other is sleeping. Once you go to the device manager, you find, let me see, is it disk drives? No, display adapters. Find display adapter, you click on that. You right click on your graphic adapter, display adapter. You click disable device. Screen will go. The screen went black. Right click again. Click enable device. X out. And then your brightness should be fixed. That's it.